Your body is aging faster than you think, and scientists can measure it right now. Not next year. Not in old age. Right now. Inside your body, every second that passes leaves a measurable mark on your cells. Scientists don't guess this. They don't theorize it. They see it, under microscopes, in blood samples, inside your DNA. The protective structures that keep your genetic code intact are slowly eroding. Every stressful thought, every poor night of sleep, every inflammatory meal, every time your body repairs damage, these protective caps shorten. This is aging at the cellular level. And 3 Nobel Prize-winning scientists spent decades proving why this happens, and more importantly, how to slow it down. They didn't discover miracle pills. They didn't sell supplements. They uncovered systems your body already has, systems designed to protect you, repair you, and keep you alive longer. Those systems are telomeres, the biological clock inside your cell's autophagy, your body's internal cleanup and recycling mechanism, ribosomes, the protein factories that keep every cell functional. When these systems fail, aging accelerates. Disease follows. When they're supported, the body stabilizes, repairs, and resists decline. And here's the part most people miss. Your daily food choices directly communicate with these systems. Not metaphorically. Biochemically. The discovery of the cellular aging clock. In 2009, Elizabeth Blackburn received the Nobel Prize for uncovering one of the most important biological discoveries of modern medicine, telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Think of shoelaces. At each end is a small plastic tip that prevents fraying. Remove that tip, and the lace falls apart. Your DNA works the same way. Every time a cell divides, to heal skin, repair tissue, fight infection, the telomeres shorten slightly. This is normal. It's part of being alive. But when telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer function properly. It enters a state of dysfunction or self-destructs. This cellular failure accumulates across tissues and organs. This is how aging begins long before wrinkles appear. Short telomeres are associated with cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative disorders, cancer, immune system decline. In other words, the diseases that kill most people aren't random. They're deeply tied to telomere erosion. Stress ages you, literally. One of Dr. Blackburn's most unsettling findings had nothing to do with genetics, and everything to do with stress. Working with health psychologist Alyssa Eppel, she studied mothers caring for chronically ill children. These women weren't elderly. Many were in their 30s and 40s. But biologically, their telomeres looked 10 years older than their chronological age. The longer the caregiving stress lasted, and the more intense it felt, the shorter their telomeres became. Stress didn't just affect mood or sleep. It physically accelerated cellular aging. This was the moment science confirmed something people feel intuitively but rarely take seriously. Chronic stress is not psychological. It is biological damage. The shock finding: telomeres can be protected. Here's where the story flips. For decades, scientists believed telomere shortening was irreversible. That aging was a one-way slide. That assumption was wrong. In collaboration with Dean Ornish, Dr. Blackburn examined what happened when people made specific lifestyle changes. Not extreme ones. Not expensive ones. Just dietary changes, stress reduction, moderate movement. After 3 months, telomerase, the enzyme that repairs telomeres, increased by 29% to 84%. 5 years later, the group following these changes showed a 10% increase in telomere length. The control group? Their telomeres shortened by 3%. This wasn't theory. It was measurable, repeatable biology. What protects telomeres? The foods that slow telomere erosion share two critical features: high antioxidant density omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage, all major drivers of telomere shortening. Large observational studies confirmed this repeatedly. Higher omega-3 blood levels equals slower telomere loss. Lower omega-3 levels equals faster biological aging. Vitamin D also plays a role. Long-term trials show supplementation slows telomere shortening significantly over time. This means aging is not just about years lived, it's about nutrient signals received. Foods that protect your DNA. The evidence consistently points to fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts and flax seeds, berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, leafy greens, spinach, kale, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice. These foods reduce oxidative stress, support DNA repair, and preserve telomere length. This isn't healthy eating marketing. This is cellular maintenance. The discovery that changed how we understand aging. In 2016, Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for discovering autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating. It's your body's internal recycling system. When nutrients are scarce, cells begin breaking down damaged proteins, worn-out organelles, and cellular debris, then reuse the components to survive and repair. Without autophagy, cellular waste accumulates, inflammation increases, neurodegeneration accelerates, cancer risk rises. Ohsumi proved autophagy is not random. It's genetically regulated and triggered by nutrient deprivation. Translation: when you stop eating for long enough, your body switches from growth mode to repair mode. Why constant eating is aging you. Modern eating patterns keep insulin elevated and nutrients constantly available. This shuts down autophagy. Your cells never get the signal to clean house. Studies now show that 12 to 24 hours without food activates autophagy in humans. Intermittent fasting isn't a trend, it's a biological switch. Ramadan fasting studies confirmed this in real people, not lab mice. Autophagy-related genes increased significantly during extended daily fasting windows. Longevity cultures figured this out centuries ago through tradition, not microscopes. How to activate autophagy without losing your mind? This isn't starvation. It's timing. Eat within an 8 to 10 hour window. Stop constant snacking. Allow 14 to 16 hours without calories daily. Drink water, black coffee, or green tea during fasting. Certain foods support autophagy when you eat green tea, e.g., cruciferous vegetables, sulforaphane. Consistency matters more than perfection. The protein factories that decide how well you age. The third pillar of longevity came from the discovery of ribosomes. In 2009, Venki Ramakrishnan helped map the atomic structure of ribosomes, the microscopic factories that produce every protein in your body. No ribosomes, no life. Proteins repair tissue, regulate hormones, fight infection, and maintain muscle and brain function. As ribosome efficiency declines, muscle wasting increases, immune response weakens, healing slows, aging accelerates. Nutrition, sleep, and exercise directly influence ribosomal function. How to support ribosomes properly? Quality matters more than quantity. Moderate protein intake, not excessive. Complete amino acids from fish, eggs, legumes. Magnesium for ribosomal stability. B vitamins for ribosomal RNA production. Sleep is non-negotiable. Sleep deprivation disrupts protein synthesis and repair. Resistance training improves ribosome efficiency, especially in older adults. Again, the message is consistent: repair beats excess. A daily eating pattern backed by Nobel science. This isn't a diet. It's a framework. Morning or first meal. Eggs with leafy greens, berries, green tea midday. Large vegetable heavy salad, legumes or whole grains, olive oil and seeds evening. Fatty fish or plant protein, cruciferous vegetables, lentils or sweet potatoes, finish eating by evening. Fast overnight. Repeat. The bigger picture, longevity isn't about cheating death. It's about reducing unnecessary damage. These Nobel Prize winners didn't discover shortcuts. They revealed systems your body already uses, if you stop interfering with them. You don't need perfection. You need alignment. Every meal is a signal. Every fasting window is a reset. Every night of sleep is cellular maintenance. Aging is inevitable. Accelerated aging is optional. And the choices that matter most? They're already sitting in your kitchen.